Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to add Google Play Store on Windows 10 and Windows 11 with one click. Open a browser, search for WSA Build, hit enter, open this first link, scroll down. Here is two versions. If you have Windows 10, select Windows 10. If you have a Windows 11, select Windows 11. I want to install on Windows 11. Again, in this page, scroll down, click here, the first link, WSA. This file is zip. It is around 600 megabit. It is done. Open it. This file is zip. You can unzip this file with 7-zip or WinRAR. Right click. I want to unzip with WinRAR. Now it is on desktop. Before installing, follow this step. Open Control Panel. Open Program and Feature. Turn Windows Feature on or off. Please wait. Okay. Here find Virtual Machine Platform. On this option. Okay. Now you need to restart your system. Restart now. When you reboot, open this extract file. Here find run. Double click on run. The PowerShell will open. Yes. Continue.